The irony could not have been more stark. Even as the space agencies of India and the US were celebrating the success of a major joint mission, the US president was declaring a trade war on India. In a social media post on Wednesday evening, Donald Trump announced a 25% tariff on all Indian goods imported in the US from the 1st of August. He justified it, saying though India has been a friend for a long time, there was little business between the two because of high tariffs. He also accused India of having the most strenuous and obnoxious non-monetary trade barriers of any country. Trump added that India had always bought a vast majority of its military equipment from Russia and was the largest buyer of energy from Russia. Because of this, he said, India will also face a penalty on top of the 25% tariffs.
India has been a good friend, but India has charged basically more tariffs than almost any other country.
US is India's largest trade partner, the top export market with bilateral trade at $128 billion in 2024. The unexpected announcement dashes India's hopes of preferential treatment by the US. India was the first nation to engage the Trump administration in talks. India had already lowered some duties and eased immigration rules after the talks began after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the US in February. But a tougher stance had been adopted in recent weeks, especially over contentious issues like agriculture, dairy, and several non-tariff barriers. Meanwhile, hope is still afloat for a preliminary deal in the next couple of months, with the 6th round of trade talks scheduled in the last week of August. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.